Welcome to Priya Creations. Don't forget to like and subscribe and let me know which you like me to draw next.
Here I am using black color marker pen to draw this design. This is peacock border design. Draw the peacock outline like this. I am using black color marker pen. If you want you can use color pen, sketch pen, whatever you want. I am using blue color pencil. I am shading with blue color pencil. Shade like this. This is light blue color pencil. Now I am using green color pencil. Draw like this. I am using yellow color pencil. Draw like this. This is blue color pencil. I am using yellow color. Here I am using green color pencil. Fill like this. Now I am using light green color pencil. Fill like this. I am using red color. Draw the line like this. Fill this space with green color pencil. Dark green color. Now I am using light green color. Fill like this. I am using yellow color pencil. Shading like this. Here I am using black color marker pen to draw this design. This is flower border design. Draw the flower outline like this. I am using yellow color. Here I am using light blue color sketch pen. Shading with light blue color sketch pen. Draw like this. Fill like this. Here I am using red color pencil. I am using green color brush pen. Draw the line like this. Black color marker pen. Draw the round shape. Here I am using black color sketch pen to draw this design. This is flower border design. Draw the small flower like this. Here I am drawing leaf shape. Draw the leaf shape like this. Same repeat here. Do you have any doubts about border designs? Comment on comment section. If you want any type of border designs or cover page designs or any type of cards, comment on comment section. Now I am using red color brush pen. Here I am using red color pencil. Fill this middle space with red color pencil. Here I am using light blue color sketch pen. Shade like this. Here I am using light blue color pencil. Fill like this. Now I am using green color brush pen. Fill this space with green color pencil. Fill like this. Here I am using black color sketch pen to draw this design. This is ribbon border design. Draw the ribbon outline like this. I am using sketch pen. This is light blue color sketch pen. Shade like this. Same repeat here. Again repeat here. Now I am using light blue color pencil. Fill this middle space with light blue color pencil. Fill like this. Draw the leaf shape like this. Same repeat here. I am using sketch pen. If you want you can use marker pen, color pen, whatever you want. If you want you can use any other color also. I am using green color brush pen. Draw the outline like this. I am using light green color pencil. Fill this middle space with light green color pencil. Here I am using red color pencil. Draw the line like this. Draw like it's pen.
Thank you so much for watching. Support me as liking, sharing, commenting and subscribing.